Soichiro Honda and Honda Company, a comprehensive overview. Introduction. The Honda Motor Company is a global automotive and motorcycle manufacturer headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. It was founded by Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa in 1948. The company is known for its innovative technologies, quality products, and excellent customer service. One of the main reasons for the success of the company is its visionary founder, Soichiro Honda, who was a pioneer in the automotive industry. In this article, we will provide a detailed overview of Soichiro Honda and the Honda Motor Company. Early life of Soichiro Honda. Soichiro Honda was born in 1926 in Hamamatsu, Japan. His father was a blacksmith who owned a bicycle repair shop, and his mother was a weaver. From a young age, Soichiro Honda showed an interest in machinery and mechanics. He was particularly fascinated by airplanes and dreamed of becoming a pilot. However, due to poor eyesight, he was unable to pursue this career. In 1941, at the age of 15, Soichiro Honda began working as an apprentice in a garage. He learned the skills of repairing automobiles, motorcycles, and other machines. During this time, Japan was at war, and the demand for military vehicles was high. Soichiro Honda's skills were in demand, and he worked tirelessly to repair damaged vehicles. Foundation of Honda Motor Company. After World War II, Japan was in ruins, and the economy was in shambles. However, Soichiro Honda saw an opportunity in the post-war era. He believed that Japan needed affordable and reliable transportation for its people. In 1946, Soichiro Honda founded the Honda Technical Research Institute with Takeo Fujisawa. The institute aimed to develop small engines for bicycles and other machinery. In 1948, Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa founded the Honda Motor Company. The company's first product was a small motorcycle called the Honda Cub, which was launched in 1958. The Honda Cub was a massive success and quickly became one of the best-selling motorcycles in the world. Innovative technologies. Soichiro Honda was a visionary who believed in innovation and technology. He was always looking for ways to improve his products and make them more efficient. One of the most significant contributions of Soichiro Honda to the automotive industry was the development of the CVCC engine. The CVCC engine was an innovative design that allowed the engine to meet emission standards without the need for a catalytic converter. This technology was a significant breakthrough at the time and helped Honda establish itself as a leader in the automotive. Honda's success. The success of Honda can be attributed to several factors. First and foremost, the company's products are of excellent quality and reliability. Honda has a reputation for producing durable and efficient vehicles that last for years. Additionally, Honda has always been at the forefront of innovation and technology. The company invests heavily in research and development to create products that are ahead of their time. Another reason for Honda's success is its commitment to customer service. The company has a customer-centric approach and strives to provide the best service to its customers. Honda's dealerships are known for their friendly and knowledgeable staff who go above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. Conclusion. Soichiro Honda was a visionary who believed in innovation, technology, and customer service. He founded the Honda Motor Company with Takeo Fujisawa in 1948, and the company quickly became a leader in the automotive industry. Honda's success can be attributed to its high-quality products, innovative technologies, and excellent customer service. Today, Honda is a global company with a presence in over 150 countries. The company continues to innovate and improve its products to meet the evolving needs of